Hi everyone, welcome back to Vaishnavi's TAPMI. So, if you are a fresher and you don't know how to make a resume, or you don't know how to put things in a resume, or you feel that you don't have anything to put it over there, then this video is for you. So, without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing that you should mention in your resume is a career objective or a professional summary. As a fresher, it would be a good idea to mention it, as in it is optional, but it would be good to mention it as a fresher. And there are two main reasons. The first reason is that it gives the recruiter an idea what are you expecting from your career, immediate, short term, and long term as well, and you have some idea what you want to do ahead. And the second reason is that उससे जगह बढ़ती है. It fills space in your resume. So, being a fresher, if you don't have a lot of things to mention, this is going to occupy some space in your resume, few lines. So, yeah, it's a good idea to mention it. As a fresher, what I used to mention when I was doing my BTech and I was preparing for my placements, what I mentioned was seeking a position in a reputed organization which offers key participation and career opportunities, and a place where I can utilize my technical and managerial skills for the growth and development of the company. This is something that I mentioned back then, around like 2020, 2019, around that time. And I'll give you a few more samples so you can refer those, and then you can take help from Google or other AI sources to form your professional summary or career objective. So this is the first thing. The second thing that you need to put is educational background or academic background or qualification. So we should always mention it in reverse chronological order. So for example, if you are a PG student, so you will put your PG details, then UG, then 12th and 10th. And if you're a UG student, then again UG, 12th, and then 10th. So it could be mentioned in two ways. The first one is a tabular form, and the second one is in bullet points. So I'll give you the sample of both. When I was a fresher, I mentioned it in bullets, and post that when I gained work experience, I, like during my MBA, I made a table out of it and displayed the details in basically in tabular form. So this is the thing. The details that you need to mention under your academic qualification is, the first one is your degree, as in MBA, then BTech, 12, 10. Then second column would be of the institute, your college name. Then third would be of the board or the university it is affiliated to, and then your pass out year, and then your percentage that you have obtained. So this way you can make a table, or you can put it in bullets as well. I'll give you a sample for both. The third thing that you have to mention are your academic projects or courses, whatever projects you have done during your graduation, the projects that you have done at the time of your BTech, or any courses that you have done, any certifications you have done. You can put those under this and give a little detail about it, which year you completed it, with what organization you did it. So this way you can put the projects and courses and what exactly you did over there, and even an internship column you can make. So this way. And then the next thing is, you can mention your skills. It is a very very important part of your resume. You have to mention both your hard skills. Basically, hard skills are the technical skills, and then your soft skills, like the people skills. So under hard skills, for example, if you know how to use Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or any other tool like Power BI, Orange, or Power Apps, or any other thing under data analytics, or any coding language, programming language that for example, Python, Java, C++, C, .NET, any other thing that you can put under the technical or hard skill part. And if I talk about the soft skill part, then you can put your soft skills, for example, your communication skills, leadership skills, then you possess good managerial skills, analytical skills, conflict management, teamwork. So these would come under um your soft skills. And don't write too many points, like leave after 3 or 4 you can mention. Don't put a list, a long list, don't put that. And I'll give you a sample also for both hard skills and soft skills over here, so you can check that. Now next we come to achievements, awards, or participation part. So whatever you have achieved at college level or state level, national level, even international level, you can put those achievements, or any award that you got, you can put it under your achievements part. There could be few people who don't have any prize as such, but then they might have done anything else. Maybe they have published a book or a paper, or maybe some test scores or exam scores you can mention. For example, your cat score, your j score, or any other exam that you used to give during your school time. For example, olympiads, if you have won any olympiad, or ntsc scores, any score that you remember, you can put it over there. So these things you can mention under the achievements and awards part. Now there could be a situation that a person has not won anything, or any award they have not got till now. Then they can make a separate column of participation. For example, you appeared for so and so examination, uh, you went till state level, you went till zonal level, you represented your college at this level. You can put those things. Even the smallest of the things, for example, you participated in some art competition many years ago, put that. If you don't have anything to put, you have played some sport for your college, you have represented your school in some sport, cricket, football, basketball, put it. Even though you did not win, put it, because you need to tell something about you, that this is something you were involved in, this is something you used to do. So even if you have not won anything and you have participated, just mention that over there. Then next section is extracurricular. So you can put whatever extra things that you used to do. You used to take some some hobby courses that you used to do. You used to learn singing, you used to learn dance, you do gymming for like 1 year, 2 years, or anything of that sort. You can put all that under extracurricular. You won any other award which is not very big, that you could put under achievements part, you can put it over here as well. You you make youtube videos, you can put it over there. You write, you love writing blogs, you can put that. You like to vlog, you can put that. Basically content creation. And then anything else that you like to do, you can put under extracurricular. You coordinated an event, you you headed an event, you can put under extracurricular. Then you organized something, you can put that. So this way you can write those points, whatever you used to do would come under extracurricular. Now we come to hobbies and interests. This is also an important section, so don't ignore it. Whatever you like to do, put it over there. There are two ways. One way is that you can put in bullets, like just the hobby. Okay, I like dancing, I like singing, I like sports, I like gymming, whatever. And then if you want to leave more impact, and you have done something for that hobby, then you can describe it a little bit. For example, I am a trained kathak dancer, so I'll write that, okay, my hobby, under that I'll write dancing, and then next to it I'll put ki I have learned kathak for so many years. Again, for gym people, they can write ki I have been doing it for this period. Singing, or if you are learning any, if you know how to play any musical instrument, or something in sports, or whatever you like to do, painting, art, whatever you like to do, you can put it over there. And it would be good if you can describe it a little bit, if you have done something related to it, for a better impact. So this is a thing for hobbies and interests. Towards the end, you can put your languages known in alphabetical order. So for example, if you know maybe English, Hindi, and Punjabi, So then it would be ki EHP, so English, Hindi, Punjabi, that would be the order. Or English, Hindi, Tamil, so again English, Hindi and Tamil, that would be order. That would be the order. So this way you can put your languages, and then next to it you can put the proficiency bar as well if you want. If you want, you can put references also. By references we mean that if a company or a recruiter wants to know something about you, your background, then they can reach out to that person that you have mentioned. So you can give your college professor's details, or your friend who is working in some company, or friends, siblings who are working somewhere. So these are the people you can give. It shouldn't be your relative, or your the person should not be in your blood relation, and also your relative. So this is a thing. This way you can mention your references. So yeah, this is a very very basic and simple video for making a resume, and I am planning to make more videos even for workex people. I'm planning to make a video, and I'm also thinking of making a video where I'll teach you how to uh, exactly write the things and the template and everything. So if you are interested in watching that video, let me know. I'll bring that video as well for you. So I hope you liked the video and it was helpful for you. And like, share, and subscribe to Vaishnavi's Chat Box. We'll meet next time. Till then, bye bye.